Hi guys and welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Anubhav and today in this video also we are going to talk about some useful English sentences. So friends, without any further ado, let's jump to the first sentence, and the first sentence is क्या वहाँ बारिश हो रही है? So its English will be is it raining there? Is it raining there? मुझे गुस्सा मत दिलाओ, अन्यथा मैं कुछ भी आपके साथ कर सकता हूँ. So its English will be don't make me angry. Don't make me angry, otherwise I can do anything with you. I can do anything with you. So the next sentence is फिर मुझसे मत कहना मैंने आपको बताया नहीं. Then don't say to me that I didn't tell you. Then don't say to me that I didn't tell you. So the next sentence is जब मुझे गुस्सा आता है ना तो मैं किसी को नहीं देखता. So its English will be when I get angry I don't see anyone. When I get angry I don't see anyone. कि मेरे सामने कौन खड़ा है. So its English will be that who is standing in front of me. Who is standing in front of me. So the next sentence is पढ़ाई कैसी चल रही है. So its English will be how is your study going on. How is your study going on. मेरी पढ़ाई अच्छी चल रही है. My study is going well. My study is going well. So the next sentence is लेकिन जब मैं ग्रामर पढ़ता हूँ तो मुझे कठिनाई होती है. So its English will be but when I study grammar then I find difficulties. But when I study grammar then I found difficulties. So the next sentence is क्या तुम कभी वहाँ गए हो. So its English will be have you ever gone there. Have you ever gone there. So the next sentence is सफलता पाओ कुछ अलग करके. So its English will be get success by doing something different. Get success by doing something different. So the next sentence is कुछ खाने को ले आओ मैं अभी अभी स्कूल से आया हूँ. So its English will be get something to eat. I have just returned from school. Get something to eat. I have just returned from school. So the next sentence is आज का दिन बहुत व्यस्त था. So its English will be it was very busy day today. It was very busy day today. So the next sentence is तुम उस दिन कहाँ जा रहे थे अपने दोस्त के साथ. So its English will be where were you going with your friend that day. Where were you going with your friend that day. मैंने तुम्हें खिड़की से जाते हुए देखा. So its English will be I saw you going through window. I saw you going through window. So this was enough for this video. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel if you did not. I'll meet you and catch you in the next video. Till then, Jai Hind, Vande Mataram. Keep supporting, keep sharing and keep liking my videos. So meet you in the next video. Till then, Jai Hind.